Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. In this video, I'll be working you on indices, which is mathematics. Indices involving equation. This time around, I'll be playing around with plus and minus. And there are some questions that has been dropping, that was dropped on our page, which 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can you see what is attaching them is minus, plus, minus, plus. Now, let's play around with this type of question. Now, solution to this, make sure you share this video to your classmates, your classmates, and other people. Now, what you just need to do here is that I have 5, 2x minus 4 will be equals to 1 because I added 1 to both sides. Now, this my 1, I can as well write it as 2 raised to power s equals to 5 raised to power 0. Can you see? Because any number raised to power 0 is 1, except 0 itself, which I will be, since 5 equals to 5, therefore, my 2x minus 4 equals to 0. It means 2x equals to 4. My x equals to what? 2. That is my answer. My x equals to 2. Now, if you put 2 here, you will see that, you will notice that if I should check, I will be having 5 raised to power 2 bracket of 2 minus 4 minus 1 equals to 0, which is going to be 5 raised to power 0 minus 1, which is going to be what? Equals to 0. This is 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0. Can you see that is how to check for that? Now, number 2. Look at this number 1. This is number 2. It's also a series straightforward one. Now, what I just need to do here, I'll be having 5 raised to power 2. And I'll be having dot 5 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 raised to power 2x equals to 150. Now, I just split this into this, which is dots. This is dots. If you have this in form of 5 dots, this is 5.5. But it must be 5.5. This is multiplication dot. Now, I can now say that what? 5 raised to power 2x bracket of 5 raised to power 1, which is going to be, I'm going to stress 1 all over 5 plus 1, which is equals to what? 150. This will be 5, which I'll be having 5, which I'll be having multiplied by bracket of 6 all over 5. 6 all over 5 equals to what? 150. Multiply both sides by what? 5 all over 6. 5 all over 6. This we cancel this. This we cancel this. 5 raised to power 2 equals to, this here, 5 here, 5 in this is 3. That will be 30. 30, I will be having 30. 30 times 6. 30 times 6. Is that correct? Yes. That will be 150. That will be 30. Okay, now, I'll be having that. Okay, now, I think, let me add this one to 5, please. Let's make it 5, because I don't want that to be more cumbersome. This will be 6. This will be 6, sorry. Which is going to be 5 plus 1, because of minus. This is plus. Just put plus here. Now, which I'll be having, here will now be, I think, let me rub the board. There are mistakes here. The question, I just amend the question now. There won't be any problem, just to know that. I have 6 and 5 raised to power 2x multiply equals to 150. Now, if I should divide both sides by 6, this will cancel. 6 divided by 3 here, we have what? 2. 3 here, we have 30. Now, we have 30 divided by 2. That will be 15. Okay, I think, am I saying something very good? Okay, which it will be, I think I'll be having 25. If I should get right, I'll be having 25. Now, I think I'll be having 5x, 2 raised to power x equals to what? 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2, which is 25. 5 is equals to 5. It means my x equals to 1. That is all. My x equals to 1. I think my s equals to 1. Put 1 here, which I have 2. 2 plus 3, that will be 2 raised to power 3. And this also will be what? 2, which is 125 plus 25, it will be 150, which is correct. 125 plus 25, it will be equals to 150, which is 150 equals to 150. Now, let's move on to this one. This one is also a simple one, which I can turn this as 3 raised to power 2, 3x minus 8 minus, I have 3 raised to power minus x minus 2 equals to 3 raised to power, okay, I don't need to stress myself, equals to 0. I can say that 3 raised to power 3x minus 8 equals to 3 raised to power minus x minus 2. Now, can you see that I just take this to the other side, which 3 is equals to 3, 3x minus 8 equals to minus x plus 2, which I'll be having 2x equals to 10. My s equals to 5. That is my s equals to 5. Now, the last of this, which I will be having, this I can turn into 2x plus 2x dot 2 raised to power minus 1 equals to 48. Now, I can say that 2 raised to power x bracket of 1 plus 2 raised to power minus 1, which I will be having 1 all over 2, which I will be having equals to 48. I don't need to rush. Now, which I have 2 raised to power x dot, this one will be 3 plus that will be 3 all over 2 equals to what? 48. Now, multiply both sides by what? 2 all over 3. 2 all over 3. This will cancel it. This will cancel it. 2 raised to power x equals to, if I should have this, which I will be having, we have 3 in 4, 1, remainder 1. In 18, 3 in 18, that will be 6. Now, multiply by 2, which is going to be 32. 2 raised to power x equals to 32. Now, my x, 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 5. It is true that 2 is equals to 2. It means my s equals to 5. That is all. My s equals to 5. I think I'll be stopping here due to time. In the next video, I'll be working on simultaneous form of what? Indices. Once again, thanks for watching.